Hello everyone, this side Yatendra, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about word processing software. So we know about word processing software are used for prepare any type of documentation. Means with the help of word processing software we can easily prepare any type of document, like if we want to write a letter, application, essay, notes, ebooks, question paper and assignments in my computer. So I need this particular software, and this particular software is known as word processing software. So all those documentation work are easily done with the help of word processing software. So there are a lots of advantages in word processing software, like we can easily insert page number in our project report, we can easily make some links, we can represent a particular data in the form of graphs, we can draw some shapes for design something, for indicating something, and we can easily manage our document. We can easily arrange a particular data in the form of table, we can easily take printout and make some formatting in our documents. And the best thing is that these types of software are user friendly. Means a particular user who don't know anything, who just know the basic things, he can also use or she can also use that particular software. So now the name of the famous one famous one word processing software. So there are some best software. Number one is Microsoft Word, then Office 365. OpenOffice is also comes in the category of word processing software. Google Docs is also there, WordPad and Notepad is also there. So most of use Word, Microsoft Word, some of use Office 365, some of use Office 365. Microsoft Word and Office 365 is the product of Microsoft. Microsoft provides or Microsoft develop these two software. OpenOffice is the freeware software, anyone can use free this software. Google Docs is the product of Google, and the best advantages of Google Docs is that we just create or we just work on our document online with the help of our Gmail email IDs. And there is the best option in Google Docs is voice typing, where you can use that particular option to type something with the help of voice. The last two one is also the part of Windows operating system, WordPad and Notepad. These two software have the less functionality compared to the first four one. So we will work on Microsoft Word in this tutorial. Now come to the now we will learn about what is Microsoft Word. So before Microsoft Word, we should also know about what is Microsoft Office. So if we will see about in Microsoft Office, there are two words. The first one represent the company name, and the second one is represent the work of the particular software. Means what is the purpose of that particular software, why Microsoft developed that particular software. That means in a office, in a school, or anywhere where we use computer, so we need to do some particular task. So for example, in a office we also need to make some documentation, we also need to do some calculation, we also need to create some presentation, we also need to manage the data, large amount of data, we also need to manage the emails, we also need to prepare or make some scheduling. So Microsoft Office gives us n number of software or collection of software. Microsoft Office is not a software, it is a collection of software, and each software have its individual use. So now the picture is clear. Here is the Microsoft Office, this is the Microsoft Office, and all these softwares are connected with Microsoft Office. That means if we need Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel in our computer, then we need to insert only then we need to install only one particular software, and that software is called Microsoft Office. If we will install Microsoft Office in our computer, then we can easily access that all these type of particular software. So Microsoft Word is used for documentation purpose, Microsoft Excel is used for calculation purpose, Microsoft PowerPoint is used for presentation purpose, Microsoft Outlook is used for managing your emails, Microsoft OneDrive is used for store your data on cloud, Microsoft OneNote is used for make some scheduling. Microsoft Publisher is used for some magazine type work. Microsoft Access is used for manage your data. There are a lots of software is also the part of Microsoft Office. So these are the important one. Now let's come to the next point. We can talk about Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word is a word processing software, and we can easily write a letter, application, essay, ebooks, question paper, assignment, resume in Microsoft Word. We can easily prepare a project report in Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Word gives, or Microsoft Word, or yeah, word processing software gives a lots of advantages. There are a lots of options that can be do your task easily in a documentation work. So the next one is the version of Microsoft Word software. So the older one is Office 2000, Office 2003, then Office 2000, Word 2007, then Microsoft Word 2010, 2013, 16, and the latest one is 2019. So these all are the versions of Microsoft Word. All the previous software versions, all the previous software options available, also available in the newest one versions. So the last one is Office 365. This is something different to other, because in Office 365 we can store or we can access our data on cloud basis, means our data are saved in our system as well as in cloud or online. So we will do all the practice with my Word 2019. You can use any of the one which is available in your computer. So the last one is what you will be able to do after learn Microsoft Word. So you can prepare any type of document, you can insert anything in your documentation, you can make some formatting, you can use the advanced option like mail merge, bookmark, reference, and you can design anything like a ebook, a project report, or anything. Whatever you want to do with your document, you will be able to do with your document. And the last one is the last question is how we can open Microsoft Word in our computer. So we will do this one in the next tutorial. Thank you.